Okay, welcome to this lesson, this introductory lesson really on fingerstyle guitar. We're going to be using a G chord to get started, and we're just going to be playing a thumb pattern, basically made up of 8 notes, and the thumb plays each note, so it kind of sounds like this. Okay, you can see I'm playing the G with my pinky, because it frees up my first finger for when we get into some other stuff which is a little bit more complex. Now the second pattern, we're going to use another chord. We're going to go from G to E minor, and you can see why that's an easy way to get to E minor from the G, because the second finger is already in position. So this one, we're going to claw the first 2 notes. That means play them at the same time on the G chord, which is the thumb on the 6th string, and our first finger is sort of clawing up on the G string. If you do it at the same time, you get that sort of sound. So it goes 1 and then the thumb comes in again on the end of 1. So really the thumb hasn't changed from the first pattern that we did. So this one sounds like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, in the next pattern, pattern 3, we're going to introduce a 16th note on beat 2. It sounds like this. The beat 1 is the same as the first exercise. So it's 1 and 2 E. So you get that sneaking in a little extra note there between the 2 and the end. 2 E and. Okay? And then we just do the same thing for the E minor chord. Now the 2 dots at the end of the bar, that just means play it through twice. So the E minor sounds like this. Same thing, beats 2 and beats 4, we play the... So when you put it together, we'll just put it together 1 bar each, we get... And yet again, the thumb is still working that 6th string and 4th string, the D string. Okay? So let's move on to the next pattern. Here's a pattern where we're playing each of the 4 16th notes for each beat of the bar. So you get 1 E and sort of 1 E and 2 E and slow it down to a tempo you can play it at. So same thing, we're just moving from G to E minor. Now you can use your pinky on the, and play that note on the 3rd fret on the B string, or you don't have to. And I think in the tab it's written without, so you know we're only fingering between that G shape there, E minor shape there. It sounds like this: 1 E and 2 E. Now remember, with all this stuff, just play it nice and slow to start with. The speed will come. And keep your foot tapping on the beginning of each beat. So you tap your foot on 1, 2, 3 and 4, whilst you're playing the other notes, and you get more of a driving sort of sound. 1, 2. So you can see I'm using my thumb and my first and second finger. If we look at the E minor, we've got thumb, first finger, thumb, second finger. And the same for the G. Thumb, first finger, thumb, second finger. One, two. Just work on those patterns, try and do them every day for 5 or 10 minutes, and you will find that you will start to coordinate that thumb between the other notes. Just takes practice, and remember, just doing it every day is the key. It's better to do 5 or 10 minutes of this a day than to, try and do an hour of it, every fortnight or once a week or something like that.